In this video, we will learn how to fix incorrectly tagged tables in your PDF. If your document contains any other problematic tags, we recommend watching our previous video on fixing arbitrary tags in your PDF. We also recommend watching our video on manual tagging as well as validation, since we will be reusing the same methods. Load PDFix and open your document. Open the Tags panel to view the tag tree and make sure that the Object tool is selected. Next, open the Validation panel and run the validation process. The validation errors help reveal any problems concerning the tags of your document. As we can see, the validation found some errors concerning tables. Make sure to read the error description prior to fixing the error. Pressing the error navigates you to the incorrect tag in the tag tree, as well as the corresponding table in your document. Based on the error description, we can see that our TH cells are missing a scope attribute. Unpack the tags of the table to learn which cells are missing their scope. The table tag is made out of TR subtags. The TR cells group one row of the table and are used for storing the TH and TD cells. The TH subtags represent the header cells, while the TD subtags represent the table data. You can examine your table structure to ensure that the header and data cells are determined correctly. Select one of the TH cells and press the Properties button. Here, navigate to the Tag Attributes panel. Right-click on TH and press Add Object. Keep the key and change the type to Dictionary. For object type, select Standard Table Attributes and press OK. We can see that the dictionary was added to our tag attributes. Next, right-click on the new dictionary and once again press Add Object. Change the key to Scope and the value to either row, column, or both, based on the layout of your table. In this case, we will select the scope as a column and press OK. We can now fix the remaining TH cells. You can make the process easier by selecting multiple TH cells and repeating the same actions. Finally, revalidate your document to make sure that your table was fixed. Let's move on to the second error in the document. First, analyze the structure of your table. We can see that the current structure is incorrect since we want our table's headers in the left column instead of the first row. Rearrange the TH and TD cells by dragging and dropping them into their correct order in the tag tree. If you want to change your TD cell into a TH cell, or vice versa, double-click the incorrect cell tag. Open the selection and choose the desired tag. Once our table is arranged correctly, we can add the missing scope attribute by repeating the previous process. Be careful to specify that the scope of the headers is now a row instead of a column. Once again, revalidate your PDF. Last but not least, examine the tags of your entire document to make sure that all tables are tagged correctly. We can see that one of our tables was tagged as text instead. Simply delete the corresponding tags. Manually select the object and tag it as a table. Press the Delete Empty Tag button if you want to remove the leftover empty tag. You can also use the method of deleting the tags and automatically adding new ones when the table is too large or complicated to fix manually. Finally, revalidate your PDF one last time to make sure that the tags of the newly generated table are also correct. Congratulations, you have fixed all of your table errors.